My name is Elena, and today I want to show you and tell my tips about travel photography. Usually it's lifestyle photography, but this specific when you're going somewhere and you want to capture it beautifully. The first one is try to show the context. So try to show where is it, what is it, what's the name of it. Try to show it more widely so people do understand the context, how it looks like, and then you could show the details, because sometimes I see on travel photography people showing only details, like it's my meal, it's flowers, it's my road. Yeah, but you don't understand how it looks like, how you see it in person. So try to show the context so people do understand how it looks like from a first impression. The second one is try to check Instagram, place of Instagram of this place that you are going, so you will know what to expect and what you will see, maybe interesting angles or interesting places. And for me personally, it really helps to understand how it looks like, how people are capturing it, so I will understand which lens do I need, what weather is better to go there, so it's easier to create and to film it beautifully. The second one is try to combine macro and landscape photography. So sometimes I see that for me personally I could do only macro photography of this place, but then I realized that you don't understand how it looks like in the whole picture, and sometimes people do opposite way, doing only landscapes. So for my advice, really help to capture the scene and the place, how you see it in a person, to show landscape and macro photography together. The next one is try to capture maximum photography that you can on video on a first day or first days, because I do understand and I feel always when you go into a new place, everything is so excited and you're so excited to shoot everything, and you think, oh, I will have time to capture it. No, on the second, the third day, you become lazy, you just become used to this place, and you just don't see everything that you see it from a first impression. So my recommendation to create content or do photography on the first days when it's possible. And the last one, it's not obvious, but sometimes people ask me how it's better to combine to be in a moment with photography or with video or creating YouTube, because sometimes you feel like you are going somewhere and you're thinking about work or you're thinking about creating content, but you don't spend these moments right here, right now. So my tip is to post everything on the next day. So not on this specific day, so you need to edit or you need to transfer everything on your iPhone or just computer to post everything. No, I do it later. So I'm spending my moment in this moment, and I don't think about, oh, I need to post it right now to stories, for example. So yeah, usually I'm posting everything on the next day or even 2 days after the trip, so it helps me to spend my time here in this moment and not to be overwhelmed by job or by working process. I hope these tips will help you to create slow travel photography. I'm not just travel photographers who creating with drones, with like slow-mo videos. I'm doing like more lifestyle daily photography even when I'm traveling. So yeah, that obvious moments or that obvious advices like take 2 batteries or do and have extra cord, or if you're traveling by car, try to get a tripod with you. It's like obvious advices, so I try to do like not that obvious but more personal, like from my personal experience, and hopefully it will help you to create more interesting photos, travel photos, to create story behind it, not only capture the moment but to tell the story with your photography or videos. And thank you so much for watching. Write your comments and see you. Bye bye.